You're watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abby Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abby shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Good morning, everybody. This is Abby Chain with Abby's Golden Girls and Guys, and welcome to the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys cooking show. I'm so happy that you're watching me on YouTube, and thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't already done so, please do so. But today I am super excited to be sharing with you how to make chicken burgers with tomato butter. Now, I always mention in my videos that I'm a woman on the go, so I like to make things that involve minimal ingredients, and I cook it, it tastes delicious, and out the door I go. Now, I prefer, me personally, along with my handsome husband Alan, I cook a lot of keto, but that doesn't mean you have to cook with keto. And today's recipe is actually keto-based, okay? So, if you don't know anything about keto, you could Google it and look it up. Or if you want to personally contact me, I will be more than happy to share. But not all my recipes are keto-based. Okay, so we're going to start out with about 6 ounces of ground chicken. So I'm just, and this is going to make about, it will make 2 patties. Then, oops, I got to go get my egg. So sorry about that, I forgot my egg. And I'm going to actually use only 1/2 of an egg. So let me just crack this real quick. I love to cook. I love to know that we're eating super healthy. And most of all, when you eat well, your body reacts well to that. We rarely have any gut issues, okay? Now, I'm not a doctor, so I'm not disclaiming this, but I'm just sharing with you the results that we get when we cook healthy. Then what I'm going to do, so I already added my 1/2 egg. I have a 1/4 cup of a chopped up yellow onion. I'm going to add just 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but I know what that looks like, so I'm just eyeing it. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, but again, I'm eyeing it. This is so much fun. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, okay? And I'm going to use 2 ounces of butter for frying, but I particularly use ghee, which is clarified butter. It's a lot more expensive than regular butter, but guess what? Like I mentioned earlier, it's healthy, and I'm only going to use a 1/2 ounce of the ghee butter. Okay, so I have my frying pan on low. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my ingredients all together, and I'm going to form 2 patties. Oh boy, I love the consistency. It reminds me of like when I was a little girl and I used to play with Play-Doh. You ever play with Play-Doh? It was a lot of fun. No, my food doesn't taste like Play-Doh. Silly me. Oh my God. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and form 2 nice patties. I'm going to just put them in my frying pan. I like to make them big because it's just my husband and I. So 1 patty each is sufficient. So just washing my hands off. And what I like to do is I set my timer and I cook each burger, each side actually, for 5 minutes. Okay, so right now it's cooking. All right, when I'm done, when these are finished, I'm going to show you how I make the whipped tomato butter. But while these are cooking, I just want to show you what I love to do is I make my own zucchini spirals, and this is a great dish to accompany the chicken burgers. So again, we get a lot of our carbohydrates from salad and a lot from vegetables. But again, your dietary program is up to you. I'm just here on my show showing you different recipes. And again, if you go to my YouTube channel, Abby's Golden Girls and Guys, not only do I do a cooking show, but I also do instructional videos on how to perform fabulous exercises, because I also have the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys exercise program online for people, men and women. So I just took my burgers off the pan. Here they are, 2 beautiful chicken burgers. And now I'm going to show you how I make the whipped tomato paste. I take 2 tablespoons of butter. So once again, I'm going to use my ghee. So here's 1. Okay. Always make sure my hands are nice and clean. And 1 teaspoon of just regular tomato paste. So what I do is, after I use only 1 teaspoon and I add that to the butter, I just put my tomato paste in a jar and I save it for future use, so I don't end up throwing it all out. And then what I do is I just add a little black pepper. I add a little bit of salt, and I take my hand blender and I blend this all together. And when you put it on the burgers, OMG. Love handsome husband Alan, he's always my tester. Okay, so now I just take a little dab of each and I put it on the burger. Okay, and I like to take a knife and I just spread it over. And I'm going to have handsome husband Alan take the first bite. Dun, da, da, da. This happens to be one of his favorite dishes. And again, you can either eat this for lunch with your spiral zucchini. And by the way, if you don't want to make the zucchini spirals by hand, because I do have a spiraler, you could also buy them already made in the supermarket. So here we go. Are you ready, handsome husband Alan?
Oh, I can't wait.
All right, here we go. I love that you're my food taster and my everything else in life. All right, ready? Here he comes. Mega. Whee!
Oh my God. It's absolutely delicious as always. This is the highest level recommend.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna taste a piece too. And now we have our dinner for tonight. Oh my God. Yes, I'm so allowed to brag about my own cooking because it is flippin' fabulous. So again, maybe this whole recipe takes you 20 minutes, maybe, and you can make batches and you can freeze it, but I highly recommend that you try all my recipes because they are to die for. So once again, this is Abby Chain, founder of the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys exercise show online. I teach Mondays and Thursdays, 9 to 9:40. You can visit my website at viguero.com/Abby's Golden Girls. This is all on my recipes. This is all on my YouTube channel. So invite your friends to join me. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at viguero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.